Digital inspection of dams is a multi-stage process that brings together cutting-edge technology and precise analysis to ensure asset safety and performance. It all begins with data acquisition. Using high-resolution drones, we perform aerial surveys that capture every detail of the dam's surface. This approach is not only efficient but also significantly safer, eliminating the need for manual inspections in hazardous or hard-to-access areas. The drone collects thousands of images, covering the entire structure from multiple angles. Next comes photogrammetry processing, where these images are transformed into a comprehensive, georeferenced 3D model of the dam. Advanced algorithms stitch the photos together, generating an accurate ortho image and a digital twin that precisely represents the dam's geometry and condition. This model serves as the foundation for further analysis, providing a reliable visual and spatial reference. With this digital twin in hand, the inspection moves into defect identification and mapping. Our experts use AI module to detect and classify a range of potential issues, including cracks, surface deformations, water stains, and erosion signs. Each defect is carefully tagged with its exact location, size, and severity, and linked back to the original imagery. This detailed mapping ensures that nothing is overlooked and supports effective tracking over time. Finally, all findings are compiled into a comprehensive report. This report combines the visual data, map defects, and detailed annotations, delivering a clear and actionable overview of the dam's condition. It supports decision-making by engineers and asset managers, enabling targeted maintenance and timely interventions. By leveraging digital inspection methods, we enable safer, faster, and more consistent assessments of critical infrastructure. This approach not only enhances operational efficiency but also helps extend the life of dams by providing the insights needed to manage risks proactively. Ultimately, digital inspection transforms vast amounts of raw data into valuable information, empowering dam owners and operators with the knowledge they need to protect these vital assets.